Now let's get into problem solving. When we think about problem solving with decimals, we're going to focus on some of that same content. So comparison of decimals to the hundredths, comparison of decimals to the thousandths, and another key skill here is being able to think about these decimals in both their standard and expanded form. So what might some of these word problems look like and sound like? Here, a scientist compared these two measurements. So we see the measurements right there. Which symbol makes this comparison true? So then students have to determine which of the inequality symbols, equal sign or the plus sign, makes this statement true. Then students might be asked to solve a task such as this. Which inequality is not true? Here, students would have to do each of these 4 decimal comparisons to identify the one that is not true. On this question here about Joshua, students would be asked, Joshua compared the values of these decimals, and we see 4 decimals right here. Then the question asks, which statement correctly compares 2 of these numbers? So again, students have to have a lot of familiarity with the comparison of the decimals and know about the less than and greater than signs, as well as the equal sign, and that would help them be able to answer this question correctly. Here's another example. This is that one thinking about numbers in their expanded form. A bank received a check for $2,609.75. How is this number written in expanded notation? So here students can go ahead and think about which of these choices matches this number presented in its word form here. Now I would like you to push pause and think about how will you engage your students in problem solving related to the comparison of decimals.